Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be rebuilding the calipers for the Charger station wagon. If you don't remember where I got the calipers from, I got them from that burnt GrandCherokee Trackhawk. So these calipers are in pretty decent condition. The driver's side caliper, on the other hand, did get a little crispy. The coating is still there. You can still see the Brembo logo. It did chip in a few places, but after the caliper is rebuilt, I don't think there's going to be any issues with it. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be stripping these calipers down, sandblasting them, then recoating them, and I have new seal kits for all 4 calipers. So these things are going to be 100% rebuilt and we shouldn't have any issues later on down the road. I also was deciding if I wanted to run the logos, the Brembo logos, or not. I decided against them. I just want a really nice, clean, sleek look. I don't want emblems clouding up the calipers. So when we refinish them, I was thinking about putting these emblems back on, but that's just one less step I have to do. I don't have to put the vinyl on there and then re-clear them. All I'm gonna do is powder coat them the color I want them, and then it's gonna be all said and done. So let's get to work stripping these things down, getting them all ready, and get them powder coated, make these things look brand new. Now that the Trackhawk calipers are 100% stripped down, blasted, cleaned up, all I need to do now is remove the hard anodization from the inside of the piston boards. So the front calipers as well as the rotor hats are hard anodized before they are coated. The rears are not, but I'm going to have those hard anodized when I have all of this stuff hard anodized. You get pretty much a price for a batch. I'm gonna have all of it done at the same time. And the thing about the hard anodization, I believe that that's what kind of protected everything from the fire. So I believe it's this caliper right here was, you know, it was really cooked. I mean, the paint on it was bad, but when I blasted it, the hard anodization was not discolored, no issues inside the piston boards, it's not discolored. The rotor hat though, it discolored to brown, which I measured it, I made sure it was true and flat, and I don't think I'll have any issues after I re-hard anodize it. So over here at the place, drop off the calipers. Let's get these bad boys in there.
It was pretty awesome. He was able to get the calipers done the same day.
Just finished the rebuild on the Trackhawk calipers and they came out way better than I expected. They're actually in here. We're gonna check them out. Had them charging up for a second outside and they glow in the dark. So the funny thing about it is I didn't powder coat these glow in the dark so they glow in the dark. I did it because on the FC wheel, I wanted them to glow in the dark, obviously. But during the day, it gives this really cool effect where when the glow in the dark powder or clear is charging, it kind of makes it kind of like a halo around whatever it's on. So it just makes it have like this weird halo around it, which looks really cool. So that's why I did that on the calipers. Now they glow in the dark. So, I mean, it's just one of those things. I really liked it on the FC wheels. I did it on the calipers. I really love how the calipers came out. Those calipers, everybody was like, those things are destroyed. They're not worth anything. But after the rebuild, everything went together very well. I stripped them, I re-anodized them, I re-powder coated them, I put all brand new seals in it. They are 100% good to go. I'm using these calipers on the Charger. If you guys are wondering, and if you didn't know what I was gonna use them on, but they are for the Charger. The Trackhawk calipers are bigger than the Hellcat calipers, just by a little bit. So the Trackhawk has 40mm pistons and they have 400mm rotors. The Hellcat has 36mm pistons, I believe, in the calipers, and then 394mm rotors or something like that. So just a little bit bigger. It really isn't gonna make that big of a difference, but I had the calipers, I had the rotors, I had everything that I needed. I'm swapping all the Trackhawk stuff. It didn't make sense for me to go and buy Hellcat calipers, rotors, and all that stuff. So I'm just really excited on how these came out, and I'm really happy that I could turn some calipers that nobody thought was worth anything and everybody thought was worthless into something that is actually usable. I'm gonna use it on my project. The Charger is gonna get these calipers. I can't wait to install them. But I have a lot of other work I have to do. I have to make the subframes to get all the suspension and everything on. So once I have all that stuff done, we'll have these calipers on, and I can't wait to see the car more towards the blue side of the paint. Whatever I'm gonna paint it, it's most likely gonna be blue. So these calipers are gonna look perfect on the car. So I can't wait. But if you do like these videos, make sure to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, throw a comment below. As always, see you guys next time.